14 years old. We'll do the jump. Jump!
The surf jump.
Surf jump. Here she goes.
All right, here we go. Together.
Here's the
That was not it.
raft. She'll be jumping on.
The raft. It's hot. You know it's hot. You know you like it.
Wait, butter it up.
Any last words?
I'm gonna die!
No! She's gonna die.
There she goes. Pull up my pants. Buttering.
Make sure they're pulled up. Don't make us censor you. I need those pictures.
Oh, I have them on my brother's computer.
Okay.
There, come back. You're gonna get those pictures on my MySpace.
What picture?
I said I commented you all these pictures I needed.
Oh, those things. Okay, I'll get you those. Back to what we were talking about.
How do you get your eyes? Oh my god.
Who cares? You know you like them? Yeah.
You got your nose.
Probably get.
Okay, ready?
Okay, here we go.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dum dum dum. Woo! It's like cowabunga.
That was Sarah's turn.
Serious turn.
Come on, Sarah. Dying? Yeah, you are.
It's Sarah's turn to die.
Come on.
Okay, now Julie has to do it on the blue one too.
Yes, I did.
I like died. I almost died. There's Soph. Hi Soph. Oh, I have to go now. Woo! After Sarah. Sarah goes first.
Oh.
I said, say go, Sarah, go. It's like, I'm gonna die. Hold on. Oh wait. Too much shine. Okay, there we go. She never falls off. I missed it. Sarah, you're gonna have to do it again.
What?
You have to do it again. I missed you falling off.
I have to die again?
I'll do it. Okay, it's my turn.
Sarah, hold the camera.
Here, wait. You have to dry your hands off first. Sarah's gonna hold the camera now.
Ew, my eye.
Dry my face off before it gets all wet.
Oh,
Dry your hands off.
have a double wrap.
I get double wrapped. Yes. Anyway, I'll probably drown and die. Okay.
This is Abby's taking
Okay, I'm gonna die now.
of her death. What? Oh.
Ready? Take the raft, not me.
Ready?